Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma sholli ala
Waalaikumsalam.
Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sholaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. First of all, please allow me to say thank you to the director of UIN Jakarta Graduate School and all staff and the Third International Collegium on Interdisciplinary Studies, Chairman for a great team, and for not forgetting all ISIS participants. Before starting, let us introduce ourselves to the team to raise the title strengthening the concept of preventive theory such as Zaria to adolescents reproductive health with theme 1. Hani Nurhaini 2. GM Muslimin 3. Ani Nuraini 4. Elina Lukman 5. Gustav Amitiria. Next, please. Elina Lukman will present the introduction. Please, Elina.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. All participants, during the pandemic period and to maintain healthy behavioral habits, get used to carrying or trim namely washing hands, wearing masks, and keeping distance and always praying for the health and safety of all of us. Amin.
Thank you, Mrs. Celine. Please
Thank
do
you.
the Henny as associate presented.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Ani Nuraini. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our title for this session is Strengthening the Concept of Preventive Theory Shad Azaria on Adolescent Reproductive Health by me, Hani Raheni, Mr. GM Muslimin, Miss Ani Nuraini, Miss Elina Lukman, and Gustav Amitiria. Introduction. Saat Az-Zariyah by Hidayatul Munawwarah 2018 said, the sentence is composed of two lafaz. One, it means closing the blame, closing the damage, and preventing it. Or it could also be interpreted as the opposite of word opens. And as for lafaz, Zaria means be aware and weigh. This can you read by Berit Dar al-Mashriq, 1989, page 326. Sa'ad az-Zaria, according to Ibn Ashariya, was a laqab used by jurisprudence in approach of method to cancel, prevent, and Allah is all in always. Al-Mazri all explained the same that Az-Zaria is a prohibition against everything. And by Carver et al. In 2008 and Samli Plain Bangkang 2011 said that adolescent age between 10 to 19 is a period of rapid transition in life from childhood to adulthood. This is the best ever. In the WHO Southeast Asia region, there are approximately 350 million adolescents, which make up 22% of the total population. Adolescents are generally considered a healthy lifestyle because mortality rates are relatively low in this age group. The condition causes teenagers to face many challenges in their lives, and some of them are related to their health. That's why, for this session, our title, Consideration of Integrated Preparation on Strengthening Preventative Theory Saat Az-Zaria in Anticipation of Damage to the mental health condition, especially of adolescents in the face of a growing environment in either family, peers, or relationship through social media. The problem of susceptibility to adolescent reproductive health developments is a problem raised in this study and aims to allow adolescents to adapt to internal psychological change and anticipation of acceptance in their environment. For this research, mixed method research for 5 months in this year 2020 with quantitative and qualitative, conducted descriptively analytic with literature studies. The 188 respondents were randomly taken through social media by WhatsApp group application, representing all regional provinces in Indonesia during the pandemic period. The data was obtained through online and Google Forms through the identification, building trust, of course, in and with adolescent. Preventive priority intervention such as Zaria and evaluation of adolescent readiness. And we get the we get the result respondent distribution of the 188 respondents who participated in activities in the study. There was 102 adolescents, 34 parents, 26 teachers, and 26 friends and neighbors. As for the role of the parents, there are 26 people as families, 30.7 of the oldest children, and 34.1 as the youngest. And from adolescent, they want to interaction as friend about 67%. Adolescent time and parents night, this is very amazing. It's only less than 1 hour. We found 55.6%. From the table above, it can be conclude that the time to hang out between teenagers, adolescents, and other people as family is only a little bit time. And then you can see, so the process of communication interaction with teenagers, adolescents, will be effective when carried out longer with an atmosphere of harmony and not done hastily. Characteristics of reproductive interaction activity between adolescent to parents, peers, and teacher can be found that the interactive there is a rather high difference in parents and adolescent, but quietly influence the interaction. But the teacher, with the teacher, of course, having a higher influence that peers and parents, that is, we found 0.056. The influence of irrespondence characteristic on the preventive application of intervention by Saad Azaria in media use of films about adolescent reproductive, based on the multivariate test result, found that result about physical growth and damage the result of free association effect, the intervention of assertive acceptance and growth reproductive in adolescent. And you can see by qualitative condition in 34 informant said by chat, of course, as a parents, they understand what adolescent feel. And then they praying for Allah for the best child. But a little bit worry, of course. And then if we see Kessler, Engineer, and Anthony in 2019, adolescence is an important time to develop and nurture social and emotional habits that are important And for mental health, this condition include adopting a healthy sleep pattern, doing regular exercise, develop coffee, problem solving, and interpersonal skills, and learn to manage emotion. And for discussion, we have sensitivity and age growing. This is the two factor. You can discuss more and you can read more in website for each. People experiences different sensitive to effect of climate change at different age and stage of life, especially in adolescent. For example, very young and very old people are very sensitive to climate-related health impacts as well as the process of interaction with peer. And Zaria from obligatory side to be closed and prevented from being divided into three in opinion of the scholar. Namely, what the people agree upon was that it should be closed or prevented. Of course, this prevented preventing by Sat Azaria. We found in adolescent reproductive health it needs to be implemented and developed. Adolescent vulnerable facility and anticipation of the people in his neighborhood. Implementation of preventive concepts such as Zaria can be gained with a level of prevention even toward promotive. And adolescent as family members can adapt to healthy behavior and remain in their lives both according to the teachings of Hidayah of God. And sehat remaja, sehat keluarga. Healthy adolescent, healthy family. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, Mrs. Henny. Thank you for all participants. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.